Hi, welcome back to the IELTS and TOEFL review series. I'm Diane, and in today's Level 9 Unit 3 episode, we are digging into an important topic related to energy and environment, biofuels. Whether you're preparing for the writing or speaking sections of your exam, understanding this topic can help you build your language skills and broaden your knowledge on global issues. Just a quick reminder to check out the video on our YouTube channel before our online review. I hope everyone has had the chance to watch it, and for those who haven't yet, I'll be sharing the link below and posting it on our social media pages as well. Now, let's break it down together. Biofuels have become a significant part of the conversation about alternative energy sources. They are fuels made from organic materials like food crops, which offer a renewable and often cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. In today's review, we'll look at the main points surrounding biofuels, break down key vocabulary and phrases, and offer some useful tips for writing IELTS TOEFL essays. Let's go over a quick summary of the article on biofuels. Let's explore these further. Let's start by breaking down the key points about biofuels. What are the good things about biofuels? Well, first, the renewable resources. Unlike fossil fuels, biofuels can be replenished as long as crops are grown. Second, the economic benefits. Countries can reduce dependence on imported oils, which can strengthen local economies. And third, environmental impact. Biofuels generally produce less pollution compared to fossil fuels, contributing to reduced global warming. On the flip side, there are significant challenges with biofuels. And these are the resource demand. The amount of crops needed to meet global fuel demand can be immense. And the energy cost. It can require more energy to produce biofuels than the energy they provide. Did you get the summary of the article? With that, we can move forward. Let's focus now on some key vocabulary and phrases from this article. These are important for both IELTS and TOEFL exams, especially in the writing and speaking sections. Let's take a look at those words. Biofuels, meaning these are fuels derived from organic materials such as crops. Biofuels. Renewable resources. These are natural resources that can be replenished naturally over time. Renewable resources. And third word, pollution. I think we all know this. Substances that cause harm to the environment. The pollution. And the one that we are suffering right now, let's go through this. Global warming. The global warming is what we call when there is an increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities. global warming. Again, try to remember the words, try to use them with your sentences, with your speaking exercises, and with your essays. Now, moving forward to the writing part. Let's talk about how you can use the information from the biofuels topic for your writing tasks for the IELTS or TOEFL. When you write about issues like this, remember to structure your essay clearly. Again, we will go through 3 parts of the essay: intro, body, and the conclusion. First part, introduction. Introduce the topic and provide a general statement about biofuels. For example, biofuels derived from organic materials are becoming an increasingly important part of the global energy conversation. So you are providing a general statement about the biofuel. That could be a good startup and a good introduction. Moving to the second part of the essay, the body paragraph. With this, there are 2 sides. You can discuss advantages and disadvantages. When discussing the advantages of biofuels, you can do this in the first paragraph. For example, you might talk about their renewable nature, the ability to reduce pollution, and the benefits to domestic economies. While in the second paragraph, discuss the disadvantages. You could mention the large crop demand and the energy required to produce biofuels, as how we outlined it in the article. And the third part, of course, our conclusion. End by summarizing the key points and offering your own perspective. For example, while biofuels present a promising alternative to fossil fuels, their production comes with challenges that need to be addressed for them to be a viable global solution. That's a good way to conclude your essay. I hope you're able to get tips and insights from the tips and the sample that we have presented. Always support your arguments with examples. Don't forget that. This helps demonstrate your ability to develop ideas clearly and logically, which is, again, crucial for both IELTS and TOEFL writing tasks. Let's move on to some questions that might come up in your exams. Again, I will read the question. You may pause the video while you gather your thoughts, and when you're ready, you may play it, and we'll show you the answer. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. What are the advantages of using biofuels? Answer: biofuels are renewable, can strengthen local economies, and contribute to less pollution. I know you got that right. Good job. Let's move to question number 2. What are the disadvantages associated with biofuels? Answer: the production of biofuels can require more energy than they yield, and the vast amount of crops needed could lead to food shortages. Did you get it? Okay, down to one. Last question. Question number 3. Do you think biofuel should be prioritized as a primary energy source? Why or why not? Answer: it depends on the balance between the advantages and challenges. While biofuels offer environmental benefits, the energy-intensive production process and crop demands make it difficult to rely on them solely. A combination of renewable energy sources might be the best solution. You can have your own reasoning or other kind of reasons. So, I hope those questions would be able to help you. Okay, in conclusion, biofuels present an intriguing opportunity in the quest for sustainable energy. While they offer several benefits, it's essential to consider the challenges they pose. So everyone, as you prepare for your IELTS or TOEFL exams, remember to analyze both sides of the argument. And you have to articulate your thoughts clearly. So everyone, thank you again for joining us today. We hope you found this episode informative. Don't forget to tune in next time for more engaging discussions that will enhance your English skills. Good luck with your studies and see you next time.